In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Do Prime with MT5. Now, the first thing you have to do here is actually get access to your dashboard by creating a Do Prime account. And then in here, you first have to create a trading account, which could be either a live one or a demo one. So, of course, I'm going to select a demo one for this tutorial, but you can select a live one as well. The connection process is pretty much the same. So, click on Open on either of these accounts, and then you basically just have to fill in what you want. The most important thing here is that the type of your account is MT5. Okay, so I'm going to click on MT5, and then here you can of course set your own leverage, currency, and initial balance. Press continue, and after you're done, you have to confirm everything, and you'll basically receive your credentials to sign into your MT5 account. Now here inside accounts overview, I do have a demo account already, as you can see, for MT5. So of course, if you want to now use this and connect it to MT5, what you can do is you could go to the platform downloads and you could download their MT5 for desktop over here, or if you have MT5 on your computer already, that's fine as well. Okay, so what you're gonna have to do is open up MT5 either way, click on File top left, and click on here where it says Open an Account. In here, look for Do Technology. Okay, there we go, Do Technology, and then click on Find Your Company, and it's gonna find Do Technology Singapore over here, which is of course what you want to click on, and press Next. And then here you want to click on Continue with an existing trade account. Now onto your email, you have received your credentials to sign into your email, to sign into your MT5. Here you want to type in the login, which is usually just a number, and then the password, which is going to be something completely random. And then here you will also have the server, which for me is a demo one because this is a demo account. And after you type all that in, press Finish. And just like that, you will get connected with your Prime or Do Prime account inside MT5. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.